Hi, my name's Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to review a fundraising investor database case study for a client in the climate tech sector. If you watch my previous videos, you know that you click my Fiverr link below to get more information on my investor databases for venture capital, private equity, angel groups, and more. I also help clients with pitch deck reviews. If you're getting ready to send your pitch deck out to investors, I have a service on Fiverr where I will review it for you. Approximately 80% of the pitch decks that I receive are not suitable to be sent out to investors. So this video highlights a comprehensive database of climate tech investors I recently created for a USA-based client. What is the client looking for? This client is looking for $500,000 in capital, and they are in the climate tech sector in the construction business. They're based in the USA, but they're willing to look outside the USA. And they're only interested in targets that have climate tech as part of their sector interest, and they'd like to end up with around 100 contacts to approach. So how do I find these contacts? I have a master database of 400,000 contacts, and this includes new contacts that have been just added as we sit here in August 2023. This includes extensive databases for venture capital, private equity, angel investors, family investment offices, hedge funds, and more, and also includes a very large database of high net worth and ultra high net worth individual investors. So what did the final database include? Well, this was a smaller selection, and it included 80 contacts with 17 emails, 80 LinkedIn addresses, and 80 websites. So at the end there were 80 firms that are in the total database for this client. So what type of contacts will benefit from a climate tech investors database? Well, this could include carbon capture and storage startups, climate monitoring and forecasting groups, sustainable agriculture innovators, green transportation systems, eco-friendly building and infrastructure, which is really what this client is involved in, and climate finance and carbon trading platforms. So let's take a look at the database. So all my database searches start on this dashboard, and as you can see here I have 252,000 contacts, and again that's venture capital, private equity, hedge funds, family investment offices, and investment banks, everything that has to do with raising capital, and it is an updated database that has not only emails but LinkedIn's in some cases. And for example, if I were to start off with just a simple search of tech and not hit any country or city, then I'm going to come up with 4,455 contacts. If I wanted to narrow that down a bit, for example, let's say somebody was specifically looking for New York as the city, then I would have 217 contacts to take a look at in that case, and then I would simply go here, take a look at the see results, and I could export the search results onto an Excel spreadsheet. So that's how I start off with all my searches for my clients. So now we're over on the database section, and as I mentioned earlier, this was a very small list compared to a lot that I collect, but climate tech is a very niche industry in the startup and venture capital private equity field. These are mostly USA groups. In fact, in this list here, I believe they're all USA, so this is right down the alley that the client wanted to look at, mostly venture capital as well. They have websites, very few emails, but then again, this is the type of database where you are going to want to click onto their website and find other contacts that are part of the group, and almost always in the cases the clients like to be contacted via LinkedIn. You can see in this database I think everybody has a LinkedIn address. But there will also be instances on the website where you'll be able to make contact directly through their platform. So this is, again, a small database, and it has descriptions as well so that you can do more research. And I mentioned all my databases. These are not databases that are be used for spamming. These are databases that you use for research when you're looking for targets depending on what sector you're in. Are you looking for updated investor databases? My databases include venture capital, private equity, family offices, angel investors, angel groups, and high net worth investors with over 400,000 verified global contacts. And be sure to check out my full database of family investment offices, the perfect way to access ultra high net worth investors. This is the largest database of family investment offices that you're able to access. There's over 10,000 contacts. Click my Fiverr link below for more information. Thank you for watching this video.